This is the JD-11W drone from Jigger Toys. Yeah, look, there it is. Whoa, there it is. It says right there. Today on Stupid Fast RC, we are looking at the JD-11W. There's an 11A as well. Can you tell the difference? No, I can't. Anyway, this looks a lot like a DJI Inspire. So, it has Wi-Fi. It has a 7.4 volt, 1200 milliamp battery, 640 by 480 low-res video that comes through on your phone. If you're going to get this, you have to know that it won't record on the drone itself. Altitude hold, does tight turns, is very powerful, has a headless mode, 1 key return, low battery warning lights. Motorized gimbal is not a stabilized gimbal, it just gives you 30 degrees more or less up and down, so it won't correct for any movement on the actual vehicle itself, unlike you know, like a more expensive gimbal. And I guess that makes sense because you would pay more for the gimbal than you would for this entire drone. This is a budget drone, many in a series of budget drones. Auto takeoff, auto landing. Let's take it out of the box. Let's go. We have drone, we have remote, we have 4 spare propellers. For a second there I thought I was going crazy. Some landing gear and a gimbal rubber supports. And you can see here, this was telling you about before, this gimbal actually only does that. But it does do it remotely. So, you know, that's kind of cool-ish. Okay, so there we have all of about 2 minutes worth of assembly. The little battery is in the back there. I'm gonna, oh god, yeah. Okay, that's a snug fit, but what I'm gonna do is I'll just charge it in there, it's no biggie. Camera is on and ready to tilt. No panning, just tilting. And the legs are on. Doesn't feel like the strongest set of legs ever. We do have an aluminium chassis. On the DJI, these arms would go up and down and you would pay a small fortune for the machine. This of course is the cheap and nasty version, and by cheap I mean you can afford to buy it and crash it and not cry. So here we go. Let's throw it on charge, get it all ready to rock and roll and have a fly of it. Okay, so we took it down to the park and Tom had to go first. It was pretty straightforward to fly. It was easy to control. Vertical hold worked well. But when I had to go myself, it felt a bit spongy. The controls just weren't that responsive. It also was getting kicked around in the wind a little bit, as you can see here. And it wasn't the most amazing thing I've flown, but that said, it's also you know, low end and fairly cheap. It did get around. It was a lot of fun. Look, was it fun? Yeah, absolutely, it was fun. So here it is here, buzzing around, and as you can see, we actually managed to get it up fairly high, and got a little bit of camera footage with it as well. The camera footage, oh, see there it is there with the vertical hold on. Yeah, cool. The camera footage was a bit ordinary, and I think partly because it wasn't being recorded on board. So yeah, look, does the job. Is it amazing? Nah, it's okay. So it depends what you want to do with it. Okay, see you next time on Stupid Fast RC. I hope you've enjoyed this video.
Hey, don't forget to subscribe and watch these crazy videos too. Stupid Fast RC.